Welcome to another video. I'm just doing a quick video showing you my golden fidget spinner. It's pretty cool, and my grandpa got it for me. It only cost $1 since he got it from the dollar store, and and it doesn't spin that much because it's heavy metal. And that's all I wanted to show you guys for now. See you later. Bye.